Well, now she's hiding under the table. So, I don't really know what we're supposed to do about this bird. But she's under the table, she's discovered glass, and for whatever reason, this seems to be the best game in the world. There you go, look. Sammi the galah, a galah called Sammi, I should say, is doing her impression of pheasant under glass. Or as I like to call it, unpleasant under glass. Where are you? Sammi? Ah, she's gone. Oh no, she's back. So, last video wasn't real good, and this one's just weird. Yeah, Logan's got a lot of wankers in it. And a lot of cute little birds. There we go. Alright, see ya.